If you're wondering how to integrate Livestorm with Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy process to set up these two powerful tools together so you can seamlessly schedule and host webinars or meetings. Before we dive in, keep in mind that you can try Livestorm for free with an exclusive offer linked in the description below. I'll also be showing you how you can maximize this integration for efficiency. Stick around until the end to unlock a bonus that will make your Livestorm and Calendly experience even smoother. Now, let's get into the integration process. First, you'll need accounts on both Livestorm and Calendly. If you haven't already, sign up for both platforms. Livestorm is a great tool for hosting webinars and online meetings, while Calendly is a top-tier scheduling software that automates your booking process. Together, they save you time by handling both scheduling and event hosting in one smooth workflow. Once you're logged into both accounts, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Calendly account. In the top right corner, you'll see the Integrations tab. Click that. From here, search for Livestorm in the available integrations list. This integration will allow you to automatically add Livestorm links to your Calendly events. Now click Connect next to Livestorm. You'll be prompted to log into your Livestorm account if you haven't already. After you've logged in, grant Calendly the necessary permissions, and you're almost there. Next, you'll set up the details of the integration. You'll be able to configure which Livestorm event link gets attached to your Calendly bookings. So, whether you want to host a one-on-one meeting or a larger group webinar, Livestorm will automatically create and assign the correct link to the time slot your clients book via Calendly. This removes the headache of manually sending out invites and helps you maintain a professional, automated workflow. Here's the best part. As soon as someone books a meeting through Calendly, they'll automatically receive an invitation to your Livestorm event. All the meeting details, including the Livestorm link, will be sent straight to their inbox, meaning no more double-checking or last-minute scrambling to send out the webinar link. If you're using Livestorm to host larger recurring webinars, this integration also works wonders for scheduling. As you adjust your availability in Calendly, it syncs with your Livestorm schedule, ensuring there's no overlap or confusion. This setup isn't just convenient, it's a time saver. Whether you're running an online course, hosting a virtual event, or simply scheduling client meetings, Livestorm and Calendly working together streamline the entire process, so you can focus on delivering value to your audience or clients. If you've made it this far, I have a little something for you. You can sign up for Livestorm through the link in the description to get access to an exclusive and extended free trial. This is the perfect chance to explore all the features of Livestorm and see firsthand how powerful this integration can be when paired with Calendly. To recap, integrating Livestorm with Calendly automates your scheduling and webinar hosting process. By syncing the two tools, you save time and avoid errors, allowing you to focus on what matters most, engaging your audience and delivering value. And remember, sign up through the link below for that extended free trial and unlock even more features to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy automating.